everybody, it's me, Godzilla Productions TV, here for another box opening. So I got this in the mail today. Just yesterday. Yeah, I have a clap on light. Just yesterday, I got 3 figures. So yes, I'm not sure which one this is. I'm pretty sure I do. Yeah, if you like Ultraman, turn back now. If you like Godzilla, keep watching. I probably didn't do that right. No, wrong way. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Ugh. Okay. We probably will use this box again. Actually, yeah, I don't actually know what this is. Pretty sure. Oh, come on. Who put so much tape on a box? I mean, this is insane. There. Oh, it did come from China. Oh, goodness sakes. Yeah. This is a guy who loves tape, isn't it? There. That's good. Yeah, this is totally what I thought it was. Yep, it's the Bandai bootleg Godzilla 1984. Yeah, this is cool. Oh man. Mine's really do not have too good of a paint job. So here, I'll look up close. Yeah, here. He's really chalky. He's also pretty stiff. So yep, that's today's box opening. This is not as long as a normal box opening I would do. Usually it's going to be one figure, so I'm just going to do some oh, wow. I'm just going to do some sizing here. So, let's get into my Godzilla box. I'm going to size them here with my Memorial Box Godzilla Jr. here. And as you can see how big he is with this. They're just kind of similar. And they're just overall pretty similar. And my Godzilla 2000 from Godzilla vs. Megaguirus. Godzilla Jr. turns into this, so I know. So, this is probably not as accurate. Yeah, I drew this picture of Rodan in a hurry. I don't know if you can actually see it. Yeah, I drew that of like a mix of a bunch of different Rodans. It's pretty bad, but I drew it in a hurry. So, yeah, this is pretty cool. This is a pretty cool figure, and I mean, it's not really that awesome, but legs and arms rotate. Sadly, that's all. But yeah, Godzilla Productions TV. Oh wait, actually, I'm doing what I did last time. My last box opening with the Ultra Monsters. Let's zoom in on him. Yep. Alright, there's one more thing I'm going to show with him. This is this American one. Godzilla 1984 figure. We should be the exact same size and the exact same design. This is how big. Yeah. I already went over it in my Shin Godzilla review. But, yep. Stay tuned for this figures review. And if you like Ultraman and Godzilla, and you saw my box opening with the 3 Ultra Kaiju, stay tuned for those reviews. So Godzilla Productions TV officially signing off.